What's up guys, in this video we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best car polishing machine in 2022. I've made this list based on car polishing machine performance, quality, customer review, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for a polishing machine, we'll have the best budget car polishing machine for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5, Hypson Polisher Tool for Car. The Hypson 5/6" Pneumatic Air Sander Polisher Tool. Hypson Pneumatic Sander. Durable and reliable, all-steel pneumatic motor use NSK bearing, self-adhesive disc. All-steel rotor, strong and durable. Sanding pad, Velcro design, convenient replacement of consumable materials. 5 kinds of grinding plate. Car lights, grinding and polishing. Car paint, grinding and polishing. Comfortable body. Number 4, Basius Car Polisher Machine. The Basius electric car polishing machine cordless design is convenient for waxing. 45 minutes of long battery life. Long battery life allows users to wax their cars at one go, even if they have a big car. 3800 R/min, strong power, a powerful motor with stable performance offers efficient waxing and smooth polishing. Eccentric rotating shaft offers uniform effect. Eccentric rotation avoids polishing one area too much and unsmooth effect. 2 levels of speed, more satisfaction. 3 types of polishing pads, waffle foam polishing pad waxing used to seal the glaze, flat foam pad waxing, used for waxing and polishing wool pad polishing after waxing evenly with sponge pads, dry the car wax. An anti-shake handle for easier operation. The smooth cordless metal polisher has a small size, which is easy to store in cars. Car home dual use, it can be used for waxing cars and floors at home and more. Number 3, SPTA Auto Dual Action Polisher. The SPTA 5" 780W Car Auto Dual Action Polishing Machine. Ergonomic design and comfortable soft touch head cover. Auto shut-off carbon brushes, low noise and low vibration. Sealed 100mm bearing provides longer life. Dual action polisher, come with random orbit, swirl-free polishing/sanding action, which can reduce the damage of machine tracks, bum marks and holograms. It is different from normal polisher or rotary machines and perfect for polishing, waxing and removing swirls. Fiber car wash towel. Super fine fiber material with no ball and lint. Soft material feels better and easy to clean. Polishing disc cleaning brush, double-sided car wash glove can decontaminate much more easily. It is also more flexible and durable, an elasticized waist to tighten the mouth, which has good elasticity and is not easily to strangle or fall off. Number 2, Auto Care Cordless Car Polishing Machine. The Auto Care Cordless Mini Polisher Car Polishing Machine. Cordless car polisher for your lovely car. Are you annoyed by the messy cord when you are polishing your lovely car? Why not go cordless? Cordless polisher allows you to walk around your lovely car without any annoying cord to block your way. Choose cordless polisher, save your time from dealing with the cord. Proudly present battery, over 25 years, we has kept updating its batteries to the best of its kind. It's estimated that the life expectancy of each 12-volt battery is at least 1,000 cycles. Stop worrying about dying batteries or batteries that won't charge after minimal usage. Auto Care's got your back. Lightweight and easy to use, do it yourself effortlessly at home, weighs merely 1.7 pounds with battery plus its portable design. This makes it easy for carrying and storage. With its easy operation, you would never scratch your car paint, very friendly for beginners. Anyone can use Auto Care Cordless Buffer Polisher efficiently and quickly. Ideal for home DIY and commercial applications like auto care and maintenance. Variable speed for your needs. Polish, buff and wax, With 0-3000 RPM, this cordless polisher is powerful enough for a professional as well as safe enough for amateur. Number 1. SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher Machine. The SPTA 12-volt cordless mini car polisher machine. Unlike other polishing machines, this product can be operated with one hand. Because of its ergonomic design, this battery polishing machine is very suitable for hand use. And its volume is not heavy, it will be easy to use. Each product comes with 2 batteries and a battery charger. It only takes 22 to 24 minutes to charge the battery, and each charge allows you to run for 30 minutes under full load. These 2 battery packs allow you to use one of them in the tool and charge the other, so you don't have to worry about the battery running out of power. The head of the machine is made of metal, and the fine workmanship allows the user to have a better feel, and the machine can be polished better. And can help you clean hard-to-reach areas, such as paint areas, headlights, edges, and so on.